Today we're changing my battery terminals. We already did one and now we about to do the other one. We're gonna, what you say, how we do it?
So I'm taking this battery terminal that she bought off of eBay and pretty much, haggering it up a little bit. I'm taking these clips, unbending them, taking the bolt out, opening it up a little bit. Once I open it up a little bit, I'm gonna cut the battery wire, and then fucking remount it in between here, tighten her down. She should be met. Okay, so I got the bolt out that goes in between here. So I took that out, and now I'm gonna pry the two metal pieces apart so I can get to where the wire has to be placed in and it can get connection when it's put onto the battery post. So I'm cutting the original one off now. There we go. That's the old one.
Oh, I thought you told me we couldn't cut it.
What do you mean?
It's too short.
That's what I did to the last one.
I know, but this wire is longer than that one.
No, it should be good. I mean, it's the only way we can do it. Like, Alright, so I got the wire cut, got it gapped up a little bit. Now I'm just gonna insert the bolt back in just to line it up so I can see how much room I'm working with. And I'm gonna stick the rest of this wire to the side of, I gotta twist the wires up a little bit so it gets cramped up. I need a little bit more space over here though, because
Wait, don't.
no, I need. Wait a second. There we go. Now we got some more exposed wire here. So now what I'm gonna do is stick it in like that. Put this bolt in. Try and move all the wires out the way. You just gotta finesse it in there a little bit. Heel. Squeeze. Okay, once you got it finessed in, you take the top bolt in and re-screw it down.
We finally finished the other one, so it should work. I'm about to turn on my car.
Snug like a bug in a rug doing drugs.
What? But it looks pretty good. Not really that much wires coming out. So, yeah.